My name is Matt Haage from Haage Truck Repair in Ottawa, Illinois. We've been in business for 30 plus years. I've worked here personally ever since I got back from Wyoming Tech in 1994, so I've been here somewhere around 26 years. We've used the Start.All products ever since the year 2000 when we got one for our original service truck. It was such a good product. We've used it for 20 years. We haven't had any problems with it. Just general maintenance stuff, but it's really made our life easier. And then when the local dealer came around promoting and showing us the new Start.All 10,000 amp jump start pack, I really jumped at the chance to buy one. It was reasonably priced, and it just seemed like a really good, solid product because we've had such good luck with our other Start.All jump pack. A lot of different truck drivers, you go on a road call, they can't believe that that little tiny thing jump-started their truck. I'm still amazed myself. One of the best things about the new Start.All jump start pack is portability. It's a small, compact unit with short cables that give you perfect length to connect to batteries and jump start vehicles. Our old system, I would have to jump the trucks, I'd have to get in line, I'd have to unwrap 50 feet of cable sometimes in some instances, depending on the way they were parked, especially like at a truck stop or out in the parking lot. You'd have to position just right, block the truck, unroll the cables, and especially in the cold, the cables cannot be very, they're not very flexible. For years, you would have to go out to a truck and try to jump start it, and you might hook up both sets of cables and sit there and charge for half an hour to 45 minutes, and you'd have to just sit there and wait. And it's been an awesome product for 20 years, but now this came out, and especially the 10,000 amp one, which we use more. We also have the 2,500 amp, but you go out to these trucks and it might take 5 minutes to jump start something rather than half an hour or 35 minutes, which just really saves the customer money. Because for many years when you're just sitting there trying to charge up batteries, especially it's real cold, you feel kind of guilty because it's taking so long to jumpstart something. And now there's a product out there that when it barely turns over at all, and then you hook it up, and it's just so nice and easy that you get the green light that tells you that everything is good, and you can get five or more jump starts depending on how bad the battery is out of it. With ours particularly, different road calls that I've gone on, I've taken it with me, and like if my cell phone's battery is low, I can charge up with the 3-wire adapter that comes with the kit, plug right into a USB port. I can charge my phone, I can run different things, charge different things up, and it works amazing, really. So it's an awesome product. If you're looking for something that is just amazing that you won't believe it, that's it. Start.All. It's awesome.